Creating landing pages and categories for your Black Friday deals is one of the best ways to encourage discovery and at the same time get visitors from search engines like Google. Weeks before, and of course on the day itself, consumers will be searching for products they need, including the Black Friday keywords. Make sure your customers find your webshop when they search for gaming laptops Black Friday. The best approach is usually to create an entire category labeled Black Friday and then split this into multiple subcategories. Remember that many customers will be looking for something specific, so it's not enough to just have one big messy Black Friday category. Instead, split it into things like gloves, shoulder pads, shirts, and so on to help them navigate. It will help your conversion rate and send more traffic your way. Also, make sure to have the Black Friday category clearly visible in your header and subcategories visible on your homepage. Once your categories are set up, you can boost discovery even more by including Clerks Bestsellers in category banner in each of these categories. With this, you use social proof to inspire customers to find the best deals within each category. Due to how the logic works, Clerk will show the most relevant items within each main category, including all subcategories below it. So recommendations will become gradually more specific as visitors dig into your categories. You only need to insert one embed code to your category page, and for many platforms, it can be activated directly from your Clerk extension. See more info about this banner from the video in the description. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks for getting an amazing Black Friday with the power of Clerk behind your sales.